only local source to stay with you every hour, through the night and all day.
We have been right here riding out the storm with you.
Well, if you want to avoid all of this, you know, do like me. Rent a nice hotel room and avoid all the stress. Gym time! Let's go work out.
I got the whole gym for myself. I wonder why. You know what? I never tried CrossFit, so I think it's a good day for it.
While that happens out there, let me go for a brunch. Paradise! So I'm going to eat all those calories for the snow that I don't have to shovel today. I'm not complaining. You know, I've been having a lazy day so far, so let me go outside and enjoy this beautiful blizzard and walk on the snow. Yeah, you know what? I got a better idea. So, outside, inside, outside, inside. Hard choice. Well, I guess the storm is still pretty strong out there here in Boston, so I'm gonna stay in and watch some TV.
Still had to stop racing, but I did have to deal with that blood body trip routine. Don't stop taking your calories. Hello, I'm James Corden. I'm the new host of the Late Late Show here on Binge Watch. Oh, this one. Sorry. Hi.
No. Why had to shoot Lassie? Why? Why? Why?
At the conditions there.
And a reminder to send us your favorite
Classes for tomorrow for students in Salem, New Hampshire, as this blowing and drifting snow continues to make